Hi guys, welcome back to Cloud and DevOps channel. Guys, please subscribe, share and like my channel and comment on my videos. Yes guys, now coming to concept. Today's concept is how we can configure webhooks in between GitHub and Jenkins. So guys, in which cases we are using this concept? Whenever you want to get the updates once you push into GitHub repository, the GitHub will trigger the task to push the code from its repository to Jenkins server. We need not to configure periodical build and we need not to configure polySCM and you need not to build manually. Whenever the GitHub will get updates from the developers, automatically it will send the code to GitHub. It will send the code from GitHub repository to Jenkins server once it's get the code from the developers. If you want to configure to build a job by pushing the code from GitHub to Jenkins by using webhooks, yes, we can configure this concept. Let me show you practically. So guys, yes, here you should have one Jenkins server. Of course, already have one Jenkins server. Yes, this is my Jenkins server. Now click on new item. Click on new item. Yes, now I'm naming that webhooks test job. Take this one. Just I'm choosing that pre-sale project for sample test case. Just click on that OK button. Next, click on that source code. Now click on that Git. Now go to your repository. Just click on that any one repository. Just I'm choosing this one. Yes, now get this repository. Yes, click on the code and select this one. Sorry. Next, move to your Jenkins. Now place your URL here and change the repository branch. And here I am choosing that main, or else you can choose any dev branch or QA branch, production branch, pre-production, depends on your requirement. Right now, this is the test scenario. Okay. Yes. Now click on this. So first of all, let me show you manually. Yes, click on that save. Now what I'm doing that, yes, see, manually you have to build this job. If you want to get the code from GitHub to Jenkins, yes, we need to click on that build now. See guys, successfully we got the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Now, yes, click on this job. Yes, copy this one. Yes, copy this one. Yes, move to okay, CD, just paste that and hit the enter. Okay, now LL, see guys, and cat readme.md. Here just we are having that. Okay, just I'm going to modifying that readme.md file. Now what I'm doing that, now I'm going to configuring webhooks concept. Okay, now, okay, yes, the same job, yes, take this URL, copy this one and move to your repository. Now click on that repository settings. Now you can find here left side webhooks, click on that, then click on that add webhook. Just remove this payload URL, remove the completely and place here, then apply that github hyphen webhook slash. Okay, just that's it. Yes, click on that add webhook. Once it's correct, yes, we can see the correct tick mark here. Otherwise, you can see that cross. It's mean error. Successfully we have configured webhooks. Now for test case. Now what I'm doing that, now I'm going to the same job. Come here, be in the empty place, just be here. Now we have configured successfully. And okay, one more step here. In this job, click on this configure. Just select this option. GitHub hook trigger for Git SCM only. Just select this one and save this one. That's it, guys. Okay. Now we are moving to GitHub and the same repository. Now I'm choosing one file to modify. Yes, I'm going to choosing this one to modify this one. Yes, click on this edit. Yes, hi. This is test text for webhook test case. Yes, that's it. Save here. Once we save this one, automatically it will process the trigger. So before that, see, already we saw that now. See guys, this is the text. Now just come here, click on commit changes. Done. The process started. Now just wait. See guys, second build started. In the first job, second build started. Successfully we built. Now come here. Again, just the same file. See guys. So this is the process. This is the process to configure webhooks in between GitHub and Jenkins. So not only for this test scenario, where whenever you want to configure in a real-time projects in the QA or dev environment, QA environment, pre-production, in production environment, yes, we can set up. But this should be depends on our requirement. Okay, guys. So this is the use of webhooks concept, guys. Thank you.